This recipe is going to be a great body cleanser. If you need something to help you cleanse your body from all those toxins, detox is what you're going to need. So this is what you're going to need. You're going to need half a cup of ginger, half a cup of apple cider vinegar. We're going to use cucumbers. We're going to use an orange. We're going to need beetroot, a cup of water. And we're going to get started. We're going to get in the cup of water first. Get half a cup of apple cider vinegar. We got the beetroot in. It's good for cleansing the liver. We have an orange. Great vitamin C. We have ginger. Lowers the blood pressure and great for your heart. And cucumbers, which we know is basically water, high in vitamins and minerals. So let's blend. This is a wonderful detoxing drink. Will help you cleanse your body, and the oranges will help your stools soften. Apple cider vinegar is a great alkalizer. It helps with the arthritis. There you are. So here we are with another recipe that's going to help with the detox of your body. You're going to need a cup of water. You're going to need carrots to help with the cholesterol. You're going to need a cucumber. That's going to definitely help with the digestive tract. You're going to need a lemon, a whole lemon. You're going to peel it. Make sure you get the seeds out. You're going to need an orange. You make sure you get the seeds out of that as well. You're going to need a hint of ginger, which lowers the blood sugar. And of course, cucumbers. So we're going to get in our water. We're going to do a cup of a carrot. We got an orange. We got a whole lemon peeled. A cup of a cucumber. And a hint of a ginger. You're gonna, if it's organic, you don't need to peel it, but if it is, if it's not organic, you need to peel the skin off. So we're gonna blend. So this is another wonderful drink that will help alkaline your body, detox, and get your organs to function like they should. You could drink this drink maybe once a week. Wow, that's good.